What's up, guys? Finally, the Lucky Tackle Box XL for November 2018. Stay tuned and we'll see what kind of fall baits we got going on.
Can you even see what you're fighting for? Bloodlust and a holy war. Listen up, hear the patriot shout. Times are changing. In the end, my choice was here. Take a shot in the face of fear. Fist up in the firing line. Times are changing. Do you believe that you can walk on water? Do you believe that you can win this fight tonight?
Alright, guys, let's get the last fall season box open here. What do we have? Alright, we got our sticker here, Active Duty Fishing. Alright, what else? Got some pain relieving patch by Tiger Ball. Can't go wrong with that. Alright, the tackle guide is going to tell you everything in the box. What do we have? Senshi Fukai. Pretty cool looking bait. Oh, now that's a wicked color. Nice chartreuse and red eyes right there. Pretty cool. Deep diving crankbait. Doesn't have any stats on it, so I'm guessing about an 8-foot diver. That is pretty cool. It's got one heavy rattle in it. Nice, and that's retailed at $9.99. It's supposed to be a new bait for 2018. What else do we got? Rippin' Lips Chaser Spoon. And it's an exclusive for LTB. Retailed at $10.49. And there you go. That's a pretty cool looking spoon. 4-inch, half ounce. Nice. $10.49 for this. Huh. Alright, what do we have next? Got the V&M Thunder Shad. Soft plastic here, retailed at $3.99. Super scented with pork fat. Oh yeah, I've heard things about pork fat. Look at that. That's a good color right there. So it looks like we got about a 7-pack right here. Nice paddle tail swim bait. You can add it to anything pretty much. Nice. So again, that's retailed at $3.99 for that 7-pack. What do we have next? Smartbaits Bayou Bug. Now that's a really cool looking bait. Looks like we got pumpkin green. Great dark color. Also could be a natural color too. Looks like we got a 4-pack here. That is pretty cool. Nice. That is retailed at $3.99. What is up next? Alright, so Bass XL only. Maxx Lures CrankX. So it looks like we got a square bill crankbait and we got a crawfish colored one. Oh yeah, very loud rattles in here. Nice, nice. Can't go wrong with a crawfish colored using this time of the year. Kind of gives you stats on different types of baits and how to use them and retrieve. Pretty cool, pretty cool. By Maxx Lures. This is retailed at $5.99. Square bill crankbait right here. So that's the Bass XL. Next up we have is a Knockout Bait Company, the Jab. Also Bass XL only. And it's new for 2018. Retailed at $6.99. Well, that's a unique colored pattern. Really cool. Definitely rattles. Looks like it could dive probably about to 6 foot maybe. 2.5 inch. 1/4 ounce. Well, there you go. A lot of crankbaits in this box. And that is it. The last item right here is your terminal tackle. Size 6 piece of treble hooks. Mustad. Can't go wrong with that to replace hooks. Nice. And the last thing we have is offer right here for some shaving products. Alright guys, that is the November 2018 box for Lucky Tackle Box. Let me know what you guys think about all this stuff right here. What's your favorite bait? What you like to throw in the fall? And guys, until next time, tight lines and keep fishing. Later.